Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I want to go through my design choices for the new infographic I would like you to approve. I want to start with the grouping. I have put information together that is much like each other. For example, I have put basic information about how many jobs and how much mechanical engineers make right at the top. I wanted people who first look at this infographic to know exactly what their prospects are very quickly before they move on to more specific information. Next, I have also grouped these icons together because the proximity of the icons shows they represent a statistic. I added these icons to the template I used to show the numbers I wanted to present. I also used different colors to show anomaly in this case so the audience would have a picture in their mind. If you look here, you can see that I have used icons that are made with the hard hats in order to represent mechanical engineers. As we look back at the top, I want to point out that I created visual hierarchy by using larger, more interesting fonts for some information, like the median pay. It's white, contrasting with dark, and it is a serif font surrounded by sans serif font, so the words stand out. I also used a large number 9 to draw attention to the visualized number of job outlook growth because I wanted the audience to read the information, but they needed to be drawn to the number first to find it interesting. Last, I want to talk about the colors. I used 3 different colors not included, black and white, and I used different shades of those colors so it would not be too busy. I wanted to use the 60-30-10 rule, and it's not perfect, but there is a majority of blue and blue shades, as well as about 30% pink and maroon to complement the blue. Additionally, there is black and white to add some more visually interesting points on the infographic. I made these choices to make the infographic visually interesting, and I hope my design choices get you approval. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you.